See, the problem is this. If you read any of the standard papers in the field, when they're talking about warp drive or they're talking about time travel through wormholes, they say, well, the problem is it requires so much energy to do it. See? And that's not true. You could actually do with a AAA battery.
The Tic-Tac itself does not require a lot of energy.
Yes, and the reason, and you know that to be true. See, that's now an observational fact. They observed the Tic-Tac, going from 80,000 feet down to 50 feet in like less than 2 seconds, and there's no jet engines, there's no flares. How's it going to do that? It's going at hundreds of Gs, maybe thousands of Gs. How's it doing that? See, there's no way it can do that by conventional propulsion. And if it was using a lot of energy, if you calculate how much energy we involve, it would burn up the whole planet. There's very little. It's stealthy, so to speak, and it doesn't even make a noise. Right. It may make a little noise. But
okay, so explain in layman's terms the best you can what you've discovered as to how that Tic-Tac is doing what it's doing.
Yeah, the way it's doing it, it's because there's a special material that is the fuselage. The fuselage is built of something called a metamaterial, and there's a lot of research going on in metamaterials now. And what happens is that if you pump electromagnetic energy into the metamaterial, it can have a certain kind of what's called a resonance. And in that resonance, the speed of light inside the material can go down to a very small number.